Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best external hard drive in the market, the SanDisk 1TB Portable SSD. Now, why do we rate this as the best? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk speed. With read speeds of up to 520 megabytes per second, this SSD ensures lightning-fast data transfers, making it ideal for those who value efficiency and productivity. Whether you're a content creator, a professional photographer, or simply someone who wants to store memories securely, the SanDisk SSD has got you covered. Its portable design means you can take it with you wherever you go, ensuring your data is always accessible. But what about durability? Well, this SSD is built to withstand the toughest conditions. With up to 2-meter drop protection, you can rest assured that your data is safe, even if accidents happen. Another standout feature is its versatility. Whether you're a Mac or PC user, the SanDisk SSD is compatible with both, providing seamless integration into your existing setup. But don't just take our word for it. Customers around the globe have praised the SanDisk SSD for its performance, reliability, and value for money. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best external hard drive, look no further than the SanDisk 1TB Portable SSD. With its exceptional speed, durability, and versatility, it's truly a game-changer. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Until next time, happy shopping!